watch my ending statement, I have said the 2025 budget is the most corrupt budget ever passed in the history of Congress. Sinabi ko yan. You know what? Nung araw sa time namin, pag may nag-mention sa previous budget, yung former chairman, tatayo kagad yan sa plenary. Magsasalita, question of privilege, individual and collective privilege, i-explain kung anong nangyari. Mr. Chairman, August 4 ako nagsabi, 2025 budget is the most corrupt budget. Hanggang ngayon, wala akong narinig na denial man lang sa previous chairman o sa previous members ng committee. Does this mean na hindi nila kaya i-dispute yung sinabi ko na 2025 budget is the most corrupt budget ever passed in the history of Congress? So I second that motion, Mr. Chairman.
Gano'n po kalaki ang nadagdag?
1.088 trillion, Your Honor.
Gano'n po kalaki ang nadagdag?
Ang nadagdag is 188 billion, Your Honor.
At sa nadagdag po na 188 billion, ito ba yung mga infrastructure projects? Tama po.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Sa pagkakaalam nyo, saan kumuha ng mga program of works? Paano nakapagdagdag ang House of Representatives at ang Senate dito sa mga proyekto na ito? Galing po ba ito sa DPWH, sa mga programa na ito?
Ayan na, hindi maliwanag po, Your Honor.
So ito po ay ginawa ng BICAM without their knowledge. So makakaalam lang po ng mga insertion na ito ay particularly yung BICAM, the Senate Committee on Finance, and the Committee on Appropriations of the House of Representatives. Tama po ba yan?
Well, as far as we know, Your Honor, that will be the product of the BICAM, Bicameral Conference Committee, Your Honor.
Thank you. Yun lang po ang aking at Mr. Chair, I would like to move that in order to clear up things, to clarify matters, we should invite the chairman of the Committee on Appropriations in last Congress, the 19th Congress, and the chairman of the committee, Congressman Saldico and former Senator Grace po. So move, Mr. Speaker.
Second.
Second, Mr. Chairman. Before Secretary Bonoan leaves, I would like to ask a question. I'm supposed to ask this question.
Wait, excuse me.
Yes, Your Honor.
There's a motion po.
Motion. I seconded the motion. I thought it was already.
But I don't think Secretary Bonoan will leave as yet.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor. I seconded the motion of the Honorable Erice, Your Honor.
Can we restate the motion, please?
Mr. Chair, I move to that this committee invite the chairman of the Committee on Appropriations and the chairman of the Senate Committee on Finance in the last Congress, na 19th Congress, so para malaman po natin kung paano, ano yung talagang storya, bakit nadagdagan na may 100 bilyon at saan nila kinuha yung mga programa na yon na idinagdag sa pantalang sinasabi po ni Secretary Bonoan na hindi naman po sila yung nagbigay ng mga programa na ito. Alam niyo po, especially on flood control projects, kung malalaking proyekto ito, dapat po may mga environmental compliance certificate. So, mahalaga na malaman natin saan galing ito. So, ang nakakaalam lang po yun dito, si former Senator po at si Congressman Saldico, sapagkat yung mismong pagpoproseso ng mga insertions na ito ay nanggaling sa kanilang mga tanggapan. And I'm sure, yung mga opisina nila, yung staff nila, sila nakakaalam dahil sila yung nagproseso itong mga insertions na ito.
Mr. Chairman, I seconded the motion. I would like to second. Yes, sir. May I? I would like to second the motion. I would like to explain why. You know, last August 4, I delivered a privilege speech questioning the mangled beyond recognition 2025 budget. And I was very specific on the automatic appropriations. Almost ang daming ginalaw. So hindi lang yung program appropriation, new general appropriations ang ginalaw pa yung program. In fact, towards my ending statement, I have said that 2025 budget is the most corrupt budget ever passed in the history of Congress. Sinabi ko yan. You know what? Nung araw sa time namin, pag may nag-mention sa previous budget, yung former chairman, tatayo kagad yan sa plenary. Magsasalita, question of privilege, individual and collective privilege, i-explain kung anong nangyari. Mr. Chairman, August 4 ako nagsabi, 2025 budget is the most corrupt budget. Hanggang ngayon, wala akong narinig na denial man lang sa previous chairman o sa previous members ng committee. Does this mean na hindi nila kaya i-dispute yung sinabi ko na 2025 budget is the most correct budget ever passed in the history of Congress? So I second that motion, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chairman, I am objecting on the motion. I am objecting on the motion. Mr. Chairman,
You want to,
I would like to know the reason why, because I would like to find out if we're going to invite them here, are they resource speakers or they are members of the House of Representatives? Are we going to ask them questions? Are they going to answer it? We'd like to find out.
Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chairman, we move for a few minutes suspension.
Mr. Chairman,
Move to suspend, Mr.
there's
Chairman.
a pending motion by Congressman Arrece.
Mr. Chairman, there's
Second.